In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup Docs efficiently, all within just 5 minutes. We're going to walk through the basics, from logging in to sharing your completed documents, so you'll be up and running in no time. First things first, let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, you'll see the home page filled with various options. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to start the process of logging into your Clickup account. You'll notice several options to enter your workspace. For a streamlined experience, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to integrate seamlessly with your existing Google account. Simply choose the Google account you want to use, and you'll be whisked into the main Clickup interface. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to creating your first document within Clickup. Navigate to the space where you intend to store your document. You'll find this easily on your dashboard. Once you've selected the appropriate space, look for a plus icon. It should be clearly visible and typically resides on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on this plus icon to reveal several options, including the one we're interested in, which is Doc. Click on Doc to open a fresh document. This is essentially your blank canvas where you'll create your content. It's time to let your creativity flow. Whether it's meeting notes, project documentation, or a creative writing piece, anything you want to jot down can be added here. As you start crafting your document, remember that you're not limited to just text. Clickup Docs provides you with the flexibility to add various elements to enhance your content. From images and tables to complex embeds, feel free to utilize these tools to enrich your document and make it visually appealing as well as informative. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece and you've finished all necessary edits, the next step is to share your work. You'll find the Share button prominently placed on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will prompt a window where you can decide how you'd like to distribute your document. You have a couple of options here. You can either share it as a link, making it accessible to anyone with the URL, or send direct invites to your team members or collaborators within Clickup. Choose the method that fits your needs best and get your document into the hands of those who need it. And there you have it, your guide to using Clickup Docs. With these steps, you can create, customize, and collaborate more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.